feet, Bernie feet, Bernie feet.
And until the end, don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together.
Okay, today's my birthday, and I have invited friends, lots of fun stuff. So right now, before I leave, I have to get some stuff ready, like drapers and streamers.
Friends will start to arrive in 5 minutes, 9 minutes, 8 minutes, and we are not done. The balloon arch keeps popping.
Are you gonna go do the other one? My hair is like Medusa now, and I'm always afraid to touch it.
Okay, be very careful. We're almost done cleaning, getting ready for the party.
Wow, you guys have done a great job.
Oh, let's close the door. Okay. We tried to get as much as we can done, so now that you're here, tell us what else we need to do, okay?
I think you guys are doing great. I think I like it. First thing we're gonna do is Nerf war downstairs. Okay, we're going downstairs for Nerf war.
We're gonna get pelted, guys.
Okay, so what do you need? Lots of guns.
No, I'm just the loader. You're going there.
That wasn't me. That was the other video. We decided to split up into girls v boys. Girls v boys. That doesn't work. What was that? Guys, if you shoot me, you shoot right now. Shoot right now.
Wait.
I didn't put it right. Yes!
We need to win this, guys.
Oh, shoot.
Okay, Cora has one left to yell at.
Raise your hand if you're in.
Wait, Sid.
I'm out.
I just got it. 4 girls are in. How many boys are in?
One. Good job, guys. We tried.
Good job, boys.
Okay, you guys get to clean it up.
I'm joking. It's gonna be much, but we gotta clean up every bullet, everything put away, okay? Clean up.
Tournaments are just and fall and spring. So 2 in fall, 2 in spring. Remember, I give something to you.
Are you excited for this?
Yes.
What is it? It's?
Present time.
Okay, cases first.
Make it dramatic. What can it be?
Whoa, unicorn friendship bracelets. Let's see it.
Thank you.
Wow. A splat ball? Are those the things that you throw against the wall?
No,
And a
they're
splat?
throw against the and sweetheart ropes. Yay! Thank you.
All right, who's next? Dex? Okay. Wait, we have to ask, did you wrap it or did your mom wrap it?
Mom did.
Okay, good job, Mom. Oh, that's cool. What?
Oh my gosh, it's still
Oh.
going. It's still.
Did you help her make that? That is so cool. Wow, that is a really fun gift. You'll have to show it. You'll have to show Dad when he gets home how that happens. You have to put it back in and then you have to pull it out again. That's so cool.
I didn't know it was gonna end or not.
Cora, isn't that cool?
Yeah. Thank you. Yep.
Oh, Lizzie's turn.
There's stuff.
Oh. Face mask?
Face mask.
You've done a few face masks.
Yeah.
Oh, the mini ones are the
Starburst.
best.
Bath stuff
Wow.
and lip stuff. That
Let's
I-
see the lips.
Lip
Oh no,
stuff.
these are the best. The burpees are the best.
Oh, she got the best.
Shake it, shake
And a
it.
sweet birthday. It's something sugary.
Oh.
Sweethearts.
Sweet tarts. Is it a tub of sweet tarts?
A tub.
Oh. She has a good stern like poker face. She's not gonna tell you. Wait, don't you want to pull this off first
Okay.
so that you don't lose them? Okay. Oh, there it is. There's your. Careful, don't rip that.
Oh, it's a water bottle full of sweethearts.
Ah.
Now how do I get it out?
Oh my gosh, look at that! That is cool. That must have taken a long time to get in there, huh?
Oh, that's cool. Good job, Cynthia. That's
That is super cool. Did you girls put this
Yes, we
together?
went to Walmart and it
and we
took
got
us
it
like
all by ourselves.
2 hours to figure out what we were gonna put.
I love it. I'm so excited. Okay.
Sweethearts again. Sweethearts. Oh.
Oh, ropes.
Bracelet making. Bracelets.
What? That's awesome.
These are gifts.
It's connected with
Oh,
a surprise
so
inside.
fun.
That's paint to paint this.
Yeah. Oh.
And then
That can hold all of your craft supplies, Cora. That's a great idea.
Stuff back in.
Oh my gosh, that's so fantastic. You guys had some seriously fun and creative gifts. What do we want? We want cake. You want cake?
Yeah.
Raquel, get the cake. Get the cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cora. Happy birthday to you. Oh! 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 Oh, she got it!
Jeez, this is a thick cake.
Can you guys tell cookies and cream is Cora's favorite?
Very filling.
Wow, look at
This
that.
is the biggest piece I cannot finish. It's time for a pool party.
Who's ready for the pool party?
Woo!
Bernie feet, Bernie feet, Bernie feet. You ready? You gotta make it. Your feet are gonna burn. Your feet are gonna burn. Go, go, jump, jump, jump. Go, Cora.
Oh my god! A spider! There's a spider! It's blue!
Everything's under control, situation normal.
What happened?
Had a slight weapons malfunction, but everything's perfectly all right now. We're fine. We're all fine here now, thank you. How are you?
Are we diving for Reed?
Yeah.
got the most. Cora, do you have any?
Yeah, she has one so far. That's it.
Cora, did you get one?
Yeah.
Let's see. More rings?
Ready? No. You're off the track. Let's go. Yeah. There you go. All my friends just left. We had an amazing birthday party. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.